Morning folks, how are you all doing? That's pretty good. Look at that! Woohoo! Sorry Womble, need to turn you off for a sec, distracting me. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what the plan today is. We might drive back the way we came last night. So we're on like a loop, and the park up's at the top of the loop, so I decided to drive around because I thought it'd be fun. But it was actually really nice, and we didn't see any of it because, well, it's dark, so I could only see what I could see with the spotlight. Yeah, I don't know, we might do that. We'll see. I don't really know what the actual plan is, to be honest. The general plan. Right, we've had chill for a while. I've just cleaned my van because it was an absolute shit pit. And yeah. And have a look outside. The sun's out now. The weather said it was going to be crap all day, but the sun's come out and it's glorious. So we're going to move shortly. Look at that. There we are, Drumbeg. That's where this spot is. Look at that. Oh, mega. Oh, a beautiful day. Woohoo! God, waves are big out there. Mars.
Yes.
Hey,
You?
Yeah.
Hey there.
Hello, buddy.
I guess the bomb has gone off. I didn't check that.
Oh, Bob. Come here.
Go.
Oh. Right. Let's go have a look. I think there's some toilets down here. There you go. Public toilets. And it's open. No tap. Damn. Toilets but no tap. Yeah, but you won't be able to get a container in. Not a lot. Not much room, is the boss? No. Right then, the next destination. I just found a little look on the map. So we're going to go back the way because it looks like there's something pretty cool called the Old Man of Stour, not Store. So I'm going to check that out. There's a big car park, well, big-ish, and there's a lighthouse and all sorts. So we might be able to park up there for the night. Right on the ocean, so the wind is going to be biblical, I imagine. But hello, mate. Yes, we are going 11 miles down the road.
Okay then.
Oh. Radio's gone flat. Damn. You see how well Scotland prepares for the winter. We were watching the lorry earlier, look, dumping these piles of grit ready for when the roads start icing up. Seen them all the way along here. On every hill, look. They just put piles. So I guess you obviously carry a spade with you and sling it out if you get into trouble. Oh, look at this. Top tip, folks, don't drive at night because you miss all the awesomeness, even though that is completely obvious and we're just idiots, essentially. But it's so nice.
that we saw yesterday after leaving that castle spot. They would be really good to shoot, I think, in this weather.
Yeah, we're not going by there today though, unless this spot's crap that I'm going to.
Okay.
It will be tomorrow.
Okay, well, we should put a pin on the map and make sure we go back there, though.
Yeah, we are. We have to go back that way.
Oh, right, okay.
Comes the rain. Oh, this is the sketchy ass road that we...
It just looks like the world has just stopped.
Mental. And the rain is back. Hopefully not for too long. Point of stir. Really need to pay attention on these roads because they're so narrow. I mean, you won't like kill yourself if you go off them, but you will end up in the ditch, and as you saw in previous videos, it's not so easy to get out of them once you get in there. So keep your wits about you and don't be pissing around with stuff. We've got proper ocean out there now, no obstacles in the way. See the bloody waves, oh you're right, they are massive. Long Lens City out here.
Jesus, I can't stop looking at them. I've never seen them so big.
They're a lot bigger than that house. It'd be amazing to grow up here, wouldn't it? Just imagine that as a kid, just open, middle of nowhere. The park up's just down here, around this corner. What are them waves? Bloody hell. That's like surfer territory, that is.
I've got the waves.
This spot weren't on park for night though. I just found this on Google Maps, so we don't know if you're allowed to stay here or not.
Really unusual about cows by the sea, don't you think?
Yeah, it don't really compute, does it?
Not at all. It's nice though.
So hopefully, fingers crossed, it's not going to be no overnight parking, because that would suck. But we'll still go have an explore anyway.
Right?
That's cool.
Why do all the lighthouses look the same here? There's 3 that's yellow now.
Where we can park up.
Oh my god, we can rent the lighthouse.
Whoa, them waves down there. Photos are going to be mad. Oh, that's awesome. Oh! You can't see that very well on here, but I will film this later, don't worry. Mate, they're going like 30 foot in the air. Over on that edge there.
Oh my god, they are so big. Oh my god, I love this place. Oh my god, you can hear
There comes a big one.
Oh my god, it's so scary.
Oh, the sea don't half scare me.
Mate, if you're in that, you could get.
I know. How powerful that is.
It's water, don't get it. Oh my god.
That's insane.
Mm.
We're getting some banging photos here.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, there's so much power.
I can hear it. It's very weird noise.
So much power.
That sends my eyes to forget.
Oh, I love it.
It's so blue and pretty though.
Oh, I'm gonna have a little wander down while we've got a break in the weather. God, it's insane. I don't think I've ever seen the sea this rough before. It's wet here. Fucking insane this is. I've never seen the sea like this in my life. I forgot my gloves. Hands are freezing.
Oh, honey. I bought my scarfie. It'll be nice and warm.
Bleeding hell. Just came back to the van to change my lens. Now it's snowing. Oh god, this is country. What the hell? Oh god! Ow! That's hail! Oh, I can't look. I'm running. Fuck it. Oh god. Talk about changing weather. We had like 10 minutes of lovely sunshine and now it's this. Oh. Stop that for a minute. However, there's no internet here whatsoever, or phone signal. So you're not going to see any of this today, at least anyway. Right folks, so I just had a little wander up that ridge line there. Because that's where you go for the stower thing. And walked about a kilometre or so, and it was still miles away. I think it's 3 kilometres to get there, so 6. And doing 6 kilometres in this weather does not excite me in any way, shape or form. So, I'm gonna bail. We've got no internet anyway, which isn't necessarily the end of the world, but the whole point of staying here was so we're going to go walk to that thing, but yeah, it's a bit... Well, we didn't see it because it was pitch black.
Yeah, but earlier, I mean.
No, we didn't come from here.
Oh.
This is going back round the loop the other way. Changed our mind again. There's a park for 9 just down the road.
You just do the navigating.
So I'm going to head towards that as soon as possible. So, you know, that's what it's all about. It's the whole point of this lifestyle, isn't it? You've got the freedom to move, so you might as well use it. Go somewhere you're happy. Yeah, that's one thing to note. If you're coming up here at this time of year, you have to be quite selective about what you do.
It might sound silly, but I was just thinking, does it get darker in the north quicker?
Yep. Maurice just said it. So it's only 20 past 4, look, and it's nearly dark. So it's just where the world is in space, honey. This is pretty epic. Not sure how much you can see. Oh, I mean, he's got it sorted, isn't there, in that house? Bloody hell. Oh, this is like driving on another planet. Can't see any of this. Sheep. Where is she? There should be a spot just round here. God, what a view. There we go, P. Oh, that's better. Hey, you see, folks? You see, look? Don't settle. How many times have I said that, P?
This it?
Yep, that's definitely better.
Go very far.
Yeah. Let's read the signs.
Building big, disgusting houses here, do you?
No. Here we go, look. You are welcome to walk here and even stay overnight.
Donations to help the work of
That's
the
what we
trust
need,
very well.
England. Learn.
Look, there's Bolski.
It's not hard, is it? It's just a little car
Oh,
park.
that's just our place.
Yeah. Yeah, that's where we were going to go today, but decided to be wimps. Okay.
It's still wet on that.
Hmm?
It's still wet.